What is up, everyone? I hope everyone's enjoying another new day so far. As you guys can probably tell, not such a nice day today. It's raining out there today. It may not be raining too heavy right now, but it's raining. But anyways, let's go ahead and take on our day. Now guys, we're finally about to catch a break. Tomorrow is my first day off. So yeah, it'll actually be nice to have a break from all that. The only question is, when will I work next? We'll find out soon enough anyway. And plus, there's no pollen in the air, so my allergies won't be driving me crazy today. And you can probably tell I'm sounding a little bit raspy again. It's just what I sound like in the mornings. Yeah, another video about the nightmare Rachel Zegler proved to be. I keep finding more and more of them.
You're the beloved newcomer with the entire industry cheering you on. The next,
and she brought it on herself. But anyways, guys, that's not what I wanted to
in Hollywood, staying power isn't just about talent.
Boast about. Someone never showed up to pick up his dog. I don't know what's going on with that. Even for him, that's unusual. He's only ever done it once before. And I don't think he liked it. I know his dog doesn't. Dog does like it here, but there are times when he just wants, that poor old dog just wants to go home. Cat's in here with me. For those of you who don't know, there's Griffin. His fur is slowly growing back. So that shampoo solution is working. A hypoallergenic shampoo that we got for cats. Robbie and by we I mean Robbie and myself. Griffin's doing pretty good so far. We just encountered more problems this morning, guys. That's all I'm gonna say. Alrighty, guys, we got off work a little bit ago.
What's up?
Yeah. This was actually a somewhat slow shift compared to normal.
Oh, tell them about my little thing at work today.
We don't need to tell them every little detail.
Well,
Robbie.
Okay.
Well, guys, it is about the time to end the video. So, if you guys enjoyed, go ahead and smash that like button. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell down below. Go ahead and check out the links to my other channels in the bio. If you guys want to check out my social media, that's listed below. Do not tap that link at the top. It does not work for some reason. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed your day, and I'll see you next video. Peace.